In a world powered by data and intelligence, sometimes it takes a spark of magic to unlock what's truly possible. At AWS Cloud Day Vietnam, we brought that magic to life. Mind grinder and mentalist Lior Manor amazed our guests, reading thoughts, bending perceptions, and reminding us that innovation begins with imagination. Across the event, generative AI came alive, from data to insight, from idea to reality, technology and human curiosity, in perfect harmony. Because real magic isn't illusion. It's the moment when creativity meets AI power,